Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski here at Assurance Claim Services, and today we are in Jupiter, Florida. Today I am doing a post remediation inspection at a property that had a plumbing leak several weeks ago, and when we did further inspection, we found out there was mold behind all of the kitchen lower cabinets, and so I am here today. The mold remediation is complete, and we are getting ready to do the reconstruction estimate. So I am putting in, I want post-remediation photos to document everything that was done. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll keep you posted on this claim. Thanks for visiting. Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski at Assurance Claim Services, and today we are in a property in Jupiter, Florida, and as you can see, there has been some major demo here. There was actually a pipe leak right where the styrofoam insulation is, and so this gal had a plumbing reroute in her property, but you can see the collateral damage. This is from the containment. You can see even on the popcorn ceiling, that's from the containment from when they did the mold remediation. You can see all of the drywall had to come out, and the wall cavities had to be scrubbed. And this whole bed of lower cabinets here had mold on it when they were pulled. So all of that went goodbye. And you can also see right here, the popcorn ceiling was disrupted because of the containment that was attached to the ceiling. And you can see all down the wall where it was taped to the wall as well. So we're going to be doing a reconstruction estimate based on the post remediation photos we have here, and I'll be preparing that this weekend, and I will keep you posted on this claim. Thanks very much for stopping by. If I can help you, please give me a call direct at my cell, 561-352-5960. Call or text me anytime. Thank you.